If you were standing in front of a vast stretch of sea and wanted to build a bridge across it, how would you do it? You start by driving a ring of steel sheet piles into the seabed, forming a giant circular wall. Next, you pump all the water out from inside the enclosure, exposing the dry seabed. This temporary dry work area is called a cofferdam. However, a single cofferdam can easily leak, so you build a second ring of sheet piles around the first one. After pumping out the water between the two walls, you fill the gap with sand and soil. This creates a waterproof barrier that helps keep the inner cofferdam dry. Even then, the surrounding seawater pushes against the walls with enormous pressure. Once the water inside is removed, the walls could collapse. To prevent this, you install several large horizontal steel braces inside the cofferdam to support the walls before pumping out the remaining water. With the seabed now dry, you dig away the soft mud until you reach solid bedrock. You fill the bottom with crushed stone and mortar, compact it firmly, and let it harden. Then you place a steel reinforcement cage on top and pour concrete. Once the concrete has cured, you have a strong bridge pier foundation. You repeat this process to build multiple bridge piers. Bearings are installed on top of each pier, and large precast bridge girders are lifted into place one by one. Each girder is connected and welded together until they form one continuous bridge deck. Congratulations, you have successfully built a sea bridge. But cofferdams only work in relatively shallow water. In deep water, where the sea may be tens of meters deep, waves and strong currents make cofferdams impractical. So instead, you use enormous steel pipe piles several meters in diameter and over 100 meters long. These piles are driven deep into the seabed, passing through soft mud until they reach solid rock. After each pile is installed, the mud inside is removed. A steel reinforcement cage is lowered into the pile, and the pile is filled with concrete, creating a strong foundation. However, one pile alone is too slender to support the massive weight of a bridge, so you repeat the process and install 9 steel pipe piles in a neat arrangement. To make the 9 piles work together, you build a huge reinforced concrete pile cap over their tops, tying them into one solid foundation. Then a concrete bridge pier is constructed on top of the pile cap. After all the bridge piers are completed, the precast bridge girders are lifted onto the pier section by section until the entire bridge is connected. Congratulations, you have completed the construction of a deep-sea cross-sea bridge.